All right, this is how I went break even on the day. Trading Nasdaq. It's November 4th. Going into market open, there was a huge gap right here, which ended up getting filled, but it was not filled in the morning, so I was pretty much bearish, like just because of that. But then I actually did end up taking a long though. So right off open, we dumped. Right, we did not take this low out, but we dumped. I'm pretty sure SMT formed, swept all these like internal, these equal lows. Okay, and then we started like we luckily just started like ripping up, and there was no entry from any of this. Like it was just straight up. I was about to take a 3-minute this retrace into this 30-second inversion right here, and I was going to target London high, which was like up here or something like that. I didn't because I never go off at 3 minutes, so I didn't want to break my rules, but it might be something I'm actually going to start looking to do because I've missed a lot of opportunities because of it. I also could have went because we did sweep this internal low, but I did not, so it's whatever. But what I did do is see that we traded back in to this 5-minute. So once we traded back into this 5-minute, I was looking to go higher because there was Asia session above, an unfilled 15-minute, because this came 1 point away from hitting the 15-minute gap. Like it was super close. So I knew it was going to get hit. Like there's no way it doesn't. So we came down, tapped this 5-minute, started rejecting. And then from the 5-minute, there was a 30-second inversion. So once we tapped the 5-minute, got a rejection. I entered right when this got inverted. So I wanted to enter right here, right? And usually I wait a little bit for price to go back down a tiny bit because usually it'll head down and then it'll continue. But it actually just went up. I panic bought right here and then eventually it kind of came back down. So I panic bought in around right here. Stop was around here, and I was targeting obviously this high. And so it did end up getting hit, but I pulled break even once we hit there. And then unfortunately I did get stopped out of break even, proceeded to run full take profit. And I do think hindsight does destroy like kind of your concept on things, and it can make you lose confidence, but this was a hindsight thing for sure, because if I would have just waited a little bit, even if it just got down to like here to enter, would have hit a nice 1 to 2, wouldn't have been break even, and it would have been a nice trade. I would have made probably almost 1,000 on that, because I would have upped my risk due to only being 15. So I probably would have went in with like 2 minis, made about like 900 to 1,200. I don't know the math on that, but it would have been a nice trade. But I did not do that. Instead, I lost $2. So, so far in the week, last week was a really bad week for me. But so far in the week, I'm up, 720 still. So hopefully tomorrow, if I get three of these winning days, odds of it are pretty low. But if I can get 3 of these, I get a payout. So that'd be pretty cool. No better time than now to get a payout. That just seems hella nice. So, yeah, that's how I went break even.